Hello everyone, in the tutorial, we're going to learn on how to connect your Notion page with your Google Calendar for free. So right here, I already have my new page, set it up, titled How to Tap Calendar. And this is also my calendar right here. I already have a few events set it. So here is a sports day and the other one is culture day. But this one is on November. Sports day is on October. So we're going to be using a third-party API that's called Indify. So we're just going to type in the address, which is indify.co right here. Press enter, and it's going to go to its web page. If you're a new user, then you're going to need to create a new account, sign up, and then add in your email, and then confirm your email from there. After you're logged in, you're going to need to scroll down a bit to see until you see volume 1 right here. From there, you go to the right side and you will see there is an option for Google Calendar. Even though it says upgrade available, that's upgrade available is only mean, it doesn't mean it's only for upgrade. It says there is an option for upgrade, but you can also use this for as a free plan account. So you don't need to pay any further or subscribe to any subscriptions in order to use this feature. So to do that, just press create widget, and then we're going to call this calendar. Just calendar, just a simple calendar. Press continue, and then it's going to create the widget. So now you will see there's two views right here. On the left side, there is a sidebar. This is where you'll be adjusting your calendar view. And then on the right side, this is the preview section for you to see what it will look like after you make some certain adjustments. So in order to connect, your Indify with your Google Calendar, you're going to need to sign in to your Google account. So I'm just going to sign in, and then afterwards it's going to be linked. Just wait for it. So I've just signed in my Google account, and there we go. Now it has linked. There's my Google account right there. And now you can see there are events that has listed right there. So I can also select which calendar I want to choose. So right here, I'm going to select holidays in Japan. So now there you can see there are two events. One is sports day and the other one is culture day. But culture day is on a different months. So you only see one events. If not, let's choose phases of the moon. There's a lot more events right here. There we go. We can see there's last quarter, new moon, first quarter, and then another one is full moon. We can also change the color of the events. But yeah, this one is like paid. That one is for paid subscription, so we can't do that. We just want to use it as a free feature. We can choose to change the time indicator, which like you see this, like today it's 23rd October, so we can change the color of that. So we're gonna change that to red, so we can easily differentiate it with the others, because this is blue, this is blue, this is blue, but this one is red. And if you're done with the adjustments, you can just, all you need to do to put this calendar onto your Notion page is by copying this, and then you go back to your Notion page, just type in /embed and select this one. After that, just paste the link inside right here and then press embed link. It will then proceed to put calendar you just made in Indify and then put into your Notion page. And there we go. There is our calendar and our Notion page displayed perfectly. You can easily change or do some adjustments on your calendar if you want. Maybe you don't want to change the calendar, maybe because this is the phase of the moon, so you want to change it. Maybe I want to make it back to Ireland, and I want to change the color into yellow color, and maybe the border color I want to make it red. And by the time we go back here, you might need to refresh it for it to be made. And there we go. See, simple as that. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then please drop a like and leave it in a comment if you have any more questions. For now, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.